Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're going to be doing something fun and something that I've never done before on my YouTube channel. I have done like other nail tutorials and stuff, and I don't know if this is going to be like a tutorial because this is actually my first time trying this out. But I have a whole bunch of like nail polishes here in this box that you cannot see right now. But I decided to try out some Galaxy nails, and as you can see I have no nail polish or anything on my nails. My nails are actually like very long. In certain parts I actually have to like file down a little bit, so I think I'm going to do that off camera. But I'm going to try out some Galaxy nails and see how well this turns out. I see a lot of other people trying this out, which makes me want to try it out and see how nice it looks on my nails. Love doing stuff with nails. So we are going to try to do a Galaxy nails, and I hope this isn't like going to be mistaken for like a tutorial video because it's my first time doing this. So if it comes out bad, then I am so sorry, but try not to like copy what I'm doing if it does come out bad. Also, if you kitties are new here, I do call you guys kitties, and this is my main YouTube channel, and I have some social medias. If you want to go ahead and check out my social medias, there'll be a banner right here on the screen. And that's my banner for my 3 main social medias. If you want to like check out my Kik or some other social medias I have, my other social medias are in the links down in the description if you want to go ahead and check out those social medias. And yeah, if you really like this video, please be sure to give this video a like. Again, like I said, I've never done this before. I was going to try to do like one of my fingers before I started this video to see how well this was going to turn out. But I'm going to actually just test it for the first time on camera. So yeah, we're going to see how well I do this, and yeah, let's just try this out. So this thing right here is all my nail polishes. I actually have a few in here. It's hard to see because it's dark in there. Those are my brand new ones, and I got some over there as well. But these are all my nail polishes in this huge like craft bin that like a long time ago I used to actually have crafts in here. And then now I turned it into my nail polish box, but it is like actually full to the rim. These are some nail polishes that I'm going to be using today for this. I got a black, I have some whites over here, and I got some purples. And guys, sorry if my voice keeps going in and out. I don't know why. It's just like, I think it's because I've been like talking too loud and stuff like that, and my voice has been going in and out. So please just try to ignore my voice, but not really, because you have to hear what you're gonna do. And then I have a light blue right here, some whites. I have like silver right here, and it's like really glittery, and I'm gonna use this for like try to do some stars because there's some big glitters in there. And then I got top coat. The only thing is I don't have a base coat, and I know some people use reds too in this video. If you really want to, you can use a red if you want, or you could use greens. You could do different colors for however way you want to do your Galaxy. But today I'm gonna show you kitties how I do mine for the first time. Okay, so I just put down this head bandana just so it kind of looks pretty, but I'm going to try this out. And the first color I'm going to be using is this black right here. So again, I hope like the video quality and everything comes out good, and you kitties can see like my nails good while I do this video. So yeah, I think we're going to go ahead and begin. Some people do their backgrounds like blue or black. I decided to go for my thumbnail to do black. So my nail is fully covered with black nail polish. And now I'm going to wait for this to dry. At least I think that's how you do this. And then I'm going to start trying to sponge on some colors and see how that looks. Okay, so I waited for my thumbnail here to dry for a little bit. And now I have this white color right here. I'm going to put it on a sponge. So far, it actually looks pretty cool. Add blue on the sides and see how well this turns out. That's what it looks like so far with a little bit of blue. I need to put more blue on here. So that looks really cool so far. This is what my nail looks like. Hopefully camera is doing justice to show you kitties what this actually looks like. So we are gonna dab that in the blue. Okay, so what I just did off camera right now was I added like a little white splotch over here. I'm gonna do it here is just because like I don't think the red will show up on the black. So I add a little white splotch right there, and I have this red right here because you know some people sometimes add like pink or purples or reds to galaxies. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add this red right here onto the sponge and dab the red onto the white right there so you can see the red. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see this. And I'm gonna just dab the red onto the white right there. It looks like. So I just took right now this glitter right here, and it has like little big chunks of glitter in it. And as you can see, hopefully you can see that well, but I used it to make like little glittery stars. So this is what it looks like. And what I'm going to do now is just apply a top coat over this so it's shiny. Wow, that is so pretty. That actually looks like a real galaxy nail. Well, that was actually really easy. I thought that was going to be super hard to do. So now what I'm going to do is the rest of my nails on here. I think I'm going to fast motion it. So it just kind of makes the video go by a little bit faster. So you kitties know exactly what I'm doing here now. And yeah, I think actually for my first time, it came out really good. For the blue background and see what that does. This is what my nail looks like. Hopefully the lighting here isn't like making it look bad. Okay, so I add a little bit of red in there, and now I'm about to add some black in the corners. That's what that looks like. Okay, so sorry about like the mess on my finger right here. I still didn't clean up the nail polish. But hopefully you kitties can see that well and see how pretty that looks. I added some stars, which is like my glitter that I did. But that's what this one looks like. And then I did this one red, like a red type galaxy. And that just looks absolutely amazing. So I think I'm going to do the rest of my nails off camera. But I think you kitties understand like what this looks like and how to do this. So I just want to show you my nails now that they're all finished. It's hard to tell on camera, but they all look really cool and nice, and I did them all differently. Like this finger right here, I added a little bit of green, purple, and blue. This one just has blue and purple. This one has blue and reds, and this one just has red, and that one just has blue with my thumb right there. But I think that is like absolutely amazing, and I really wish that my camera would like actually focus on how nice these look. And I'm trying to show you with like the lighting in my kitchen. But yeah, that's how my nails are. And I hope you kitties enjoyed this video and everything. I know I'm recording this last clip like later on, and I didn't really feel like showing you kitties like the whole entire thing because this is very time consuming and I hadn't even done my other hand yet. So yeah, I just think that these are really amazing and I would definitely try to do these again. But anyway, I hope you kitties like this, and yeah. Anyway, kitties, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I think this is absolutely really cool, and I still gotta get it off my nails here, but I'll do that after I'm done doing them all. But seriously, look how pretty and cool that looks. That is like absolutely amazing. I cut my nails long just for this kind of thing, and you could do your nails short or long, whatever way you like your nails. And yeah, anyway, kitties, if you did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I had a lot of fun doing this, and it was actually very easy. It just takes a lot of time doing these, and that is just so pretty. Hopefully the camera's like doing justice of how good that actually came out. I didn't even know it was gonna come out that good. I had a feeling that I was gonna mess up, but then I actually didn't. So anyway, kitties, until next time, you'll see me in my next video.